Yes, good morning dear children. So this is a quick revision of exercise 6.4 and 6.5. So let me start now. So in 6.4, coming to the 6.4, so again multiplication of binomials, multiply the binomials, that is multiplication of binomials. So if we start the multiplication of binomials, that is, as I said, that is by the FOIL method, or else even you can go for multiplying one by the other. So FOIL method means first one, outer, inner, last. So 3a into 2a plus first either, then outer 3a into 3b, then inner terms 4b into 2a, then the last term 4b into 3b. So that after multiplying you will be getting 3 2s are 6a square plus 9ab plus 8ab plus 12b square. So if you are going to see here, these two are the like terms to be added. So 9ab plus 8ab, that is 17ab. So at last you will be getting the answer as 6a square plus 17ab plus 12b square. Hope you all are remembering what you have learnt. So FOIL method I had followed. So before that, better remember the rules of multiplication sign: plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. So what method I have used? I have applied the FOIL method: first, outer, inner and the last. So coming to the second question, it is a quick glance, that's it. So coming to the second one, x minus 4 into 2x plus 3. So first term, that is x into 2x plus outer, that is x into 3 plus inner, that is minus 4 into 2x, then last, that is minus 4 into 3. So 2x square plus 3x minus 8x minus 12. Again these two are unlike signs to be subtracted. You will be getting 2x square minus 5x minus 12. Hope you all are remembering. So this is the what method, what I have followed. This is the FOIL method. So coming to the fifth question, 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square, 4 into a square minus 2 by 3 b square. So as it is, multiply by 4 overall. So 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. 4 into 2 is 8. Upon 3 b square. Okay, so first terms are 3 by 4 a square and 4a square, outer 3 by 4 a square into minus 8 by 3b square, inner 3b square and 4a square, and the last 3b square and minus 8 by 3. So once you start multiplication, so here 4 get cancelled, 3 into a to the power of 4 you are remaining. Then 4 1s are 4 2s are 3 1s are 3 1s are, you will be getting it as minus 2 a square b square. Then 3 4s are 12 a square b square, then minus b 8 b to the power of 4. So again these two are unlike signs to be subtracted. You will be getting it as 10 a square b square. So ultimate the answer is 3a raised to 4 plus 10 a square b square minus 8 b to the power of 4. So this is how we are going to multiply binomial by the binomial. So in the same manner, just go for solving exercise 6.4 second main also. Okay, I'll just go to the third main now. Yeah, coming to the exercise 6.4 third main. Just have a glance here. Exercise 6.4 third main. So the question is here. The question is x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. X square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. As I said, keep this 25 as it is. Multiplication of binomial by binomial. That is x square into x plus x square into 5. Then minus 5 into x, then minus into plus, that is minus 25. So if you multiply x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 25, and one more 25 I am having in the question should be written. These two gets cancelled. You will be giving the answer as x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. So coming to the sixth question. Here also the question is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So first term of first expression, that is x, should be multiplied by x square minus xy plus y square. Then plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Multiply, simplify, unlike signs gets cancelled. You will be remaining with the answer x cube plus y cube. So I hope you all are clear with exercise 6.4. Just have a look at it. Okay. Then coming to the next one is identities. Very important thing is identities. That is the standard identities. Right. So what is an identity and all? Yeah. Then what is an identity? I think we have already discussed. So which are the standard identities it is? One is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Please remember these identities and how to apply. That is 2x plus 3y the whole square. It is in the form of an identity a plus b the whole square. In place of a you are having 2x. In place of b you are having 3y. Then substitute in the identity, that is a square, that is 2x the whole square plus b square plus 2ab. You will be getting the answer as 4x square plus 9y square plus 12xy. Please remember these identities. Okay. Then coming to the one more problem, that is 103 the whole square. Say children, again coming to the numerical problems, if at all the question is using suitable identity expand, you may either go for applying the identity a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. Followed. Particularly if any formula is asked, then you are supposed to go by that particular formula only. So here he has not asked any other formula. Simply he has asked using particular identity. So it is in the form of a plus b the whole square. 103 can be written as 100 plus 3, where in place of a you are having 100, in place of b you are having 3, split, substitute in the formula, you will be getting the answer as 10,609. Okay, hope you all are clear. Yes. Same, second main is also same, third main is also same, where you are supposed to apply the particular identities, even the fourth main. So coming to the fifth main, the question is 3x plus 7 the whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 the whole square. We have got to show that LHS is equal to RHS. So here in these particular cases, let me take LHS first. So here the LHS is 3x plus 7 the whole square minus 84x. Split this according to the formula a plus b the whole square and keep this minus 84x as it is. So you will be getting the answer as 9x square plus 49 minus 42x. Okay. So coming to the RHS. In RHS we are having 3x minus 7 the whole square. Split according to the identity a minus b the whole square. So you will be getting the same answer as how we have got in the LHS. So by this we can prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So this is how you got to show where the LHS are equal to RHS. So coming to the sixth main, using the identities evaluate. Here he has not asked any particular identity. So 71 the whole square can be written as 70 plus 1 the whole square. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. We are getting the answer as 5041. Okay. Similarly, seventh main. Here the question is using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Find 51 the whole square minus 49 square. 51 square minus 49 square. So question al heldange 51 a plus b into a minus b. 51 plus 49, 51 minus 49. So 51 plus 49 is 100. 51 minus 49 is 2. 100 into 2 it is 200. So this is how we are supposed to apply. Similarly, 153 the whole square, square minus 147 the square. A plus B, A minus B. Add, subtract, multiply, will be getting the answer. So, and the last main is again x plus A into x plus B. Split the problem according to the formula. See there, 103 into 104. As he has asked x plus A into x plus B, the x factor should be same in both the expression. Please keep this in your mind. So that is become 100 plus 3, 100 plus 4. So split, substitute, you will be getting the answer as 10,712. So this is how you are supposed to apply. Okay. Then coming to the rational numbers, all the properties were discussed. Right. So properties were discussed, that is closure property, associative property, commutative property, then distributive property and on. Okay. So coming to the exercise, again using appropriate properties, find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. As I said, group together commutative property, then that is A into B, then take out the common factor, distributive property, simplify, wherever it is addition you go for adding, wherever it is subtraction go for subtracting, cancel, you will be getting the final answer there. Okay. Then coming to the second main, write the additive inverse of each of the following. Then what is additive inverse? As I said, additive inverse means if the question is carrying minus sign, it becomes plus. Same numbers with the opposite sign. Question is 2 by 8. Then the additive inverse of 2 by 8 is what? Minus 2 by 8. Okay. Then coming to the third main, verify minus of minus x is equal to x, where x is equal to 11 upon 15. Let me take LHS. What is the question in LHS? Minus of minus x. Write minus of minus as it is. What is the value for x? 11 upon 15. Simplify the signs. You will be getting back RHS. So, that is the final answer. Then find the multiplicative inverse. As I said, multiplicative identity is 1. Right? So, then the inverse, that is minus 13. What is the multiplicative inverse? It is minus 1 upon 13. Minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. That is 15 by 56. The multiplicative inverse is reciprocal. 56 upon 15. Similarly, the fifth main is name the identity. Your people already know. Then sixth main, multiply. You know. Yeah, I think there is no doubts in this particular exercise. Even for the last exercise of rational numbers, I had made a video. Just go through it. How to represent the numbers on the number line and all. And be prepared for your FA. Okay. Hope the doubts are being cleared. Apart from this video, if you are having any doubts, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.